first in HD. 11 News at 10.
Good evening, I'm Lucy Noland.
And I'm Greg Hurst. We are beginning tonight with a Houston woman who's taking Delta Airlines to court.
Her lawsuit accuses Delta of hacking into her computer, and you're probably wondering why a bigger airline might want to read someone's emails.
Now, this woman says it's because she's leading a nationwide fight to pass a passenger's Bill of Rights. 11 News investigates, and reporter Jeff McShann shows us what he's uncovered.
We've all heard the inhumane stories about being trapped inside an airplane, sitting on a tarmac for hours. Houstonian Rhonda Wilmer recently experienced it firsthand.
At one point in time, I just wanted to scream, just let me off the plane.
A group called the Coalition for Airline Passenger Bill of Rights is fighting for change. And the face of the coalition is Kate HOU.
They cannot invade people's privacy.
HOU is pushing Congress to pass a law that would force airlines to allow delayed passengers to get off the plane, eat, and go to a clean restroom.
Airline passengers have less rights than a prisoner of war per the Geneva Convention.
If the Passenger Bill of Rights becomes a reality, it will reportedly cost the airlines an estimated $40 million a year. And for that reason, HOU believes she's become a target, a victim of a crime so bizarre, it reads like a John Grisham novel.
I've had a catastrophic loss of information and I can't recover it.
HOU says last month, all of her personal emails and research just disappeared. She claims Delta and Metron Aviation obtained the hacked emails in an effort to derail her proposed legislation, and she says she can prove it. She's filed a lawsuit here in Houston.
But for Delta Airlines, again, the biggest airline in the world now, to be utilizing hacked emails to gain an advantage, is beyond me.
I have been contacted personally by others reporting several lawsuits that are already in place against this particular carrier for hacking their emails.
A spokesperson for the airline says it can't say much because the lawsuit is pending, but obviously the idea that Delta would hack into someone's emails is clearly without merit. Gibson says his client has talked with the FBI, and we have learned the FAA is investigating.
So the major question that we have is, one, did they personally participate in the hacking of these emails? Or two, did they simply get this information and utilize it to their own benefit to help derail this legislation that the coalition is trying to get passed?
The coalition is seeking $1 million in actual damages and $10 million in exemplary damages. And of course, a new law protecting passengers. Jeff McShann, 11 News.